been a good year. Who has been naughty or nice?
I've been nice. I've been nice.
I've been nice, Daddy.
Wait, raise your hand if you think you're nice. Raise your hand if you think you were naughty. Oh, Max was at least honest. I went paperless this Christmas. That means no wrapping paper, no bags, no paper inside the bags, nothing. What I decided to do was to just make cloth Christmas bags of a few different sizes, basically small, medium, and large. I just measured, kind of just divided up 1 meter or 2 meters of material. I had these simple bags made from a friend at church since I don't have a sewing machine here in Brazil, but we kind of just did small, medium, and large. And they're amazing little sacks that I was able to just throw the gifts in and cinch them closed. So no taping, no finding scissors, no wasting paper. And what's really great is you really just can just sew 2 sides, boom, boom. And you can make the edge with a drawstring, or you can just keep it simple and make it flat, and you can tie it with some other string. So this made Christmas really fast, really easy, and I'll be able to use these bags every year. All you have to do is go to your local fabric store, pick out whatever fabric you want. It can be holiday, Christmas, any theme you want. I have a family of 7, so we made about 30 of these bags, all different sizes. It was quick, easy, and it made wrapping super fast, and then I'm not wasting any paper, and I can use them every year. So just something simple, but that I was excited about. I like when things are practical and simple and useful and reusable. So I'm excited about these little bags, and I hope that's a helpful tip for you too.
This is our home protection since we can't have a gun here in Brazil, or it's very difficult to have a gun.
Woo! That's nice.
Yeah, that would hurt. That one hurts.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, you filthy animal.
Woo! Good Christmas morning. What an exciting time. We just moved into this house just a couple weeks ago. So this is our TV room that does not have any furniture yet. We're waiting for it to come in the mail. We ordered it, but that was my Christmas present. I'm getting furniture. But it's a beautiful, warm Christmas morning. It's been raining, so the temperature has actually cooled down, but it is usually smoking hot here in Brazil. So we're having a hot Christmas. Got the girls mermaid suits and pool toys and things we can play outside.